Foolproofing your pipeline. In this video, we'll go over the steps to properly test your pipelines and confirm that everything works properly for your test client and your team members. First, you will need to have a test client account that you'll have access to. So you can create a new account and use a personal email address to activate them and log into the client portal when necessary. You'll also want to apply some tags to the account to test the conditions you set up as part of your pipelines. You can do this right as you create the account or at a later point. Make sure to add the client to your pipeline schedule and set their start date for tomorrow. This way, you'll be able to test if the recurrences work as intended. To test the automations immediately, add another job for the test account manually by using the Add Job button. Then, from the client side, you can complete any pending elements and confirm that their job will auto-move into the next stage once everything is done. To avoid having to log out and back in to switch accounts, we recommend either using a different web browser or incognito mode to log in as the client. Get back to the firm account now and check what stage the job is in. If it moves into the next stage as it should, then complete the firm's pending actions to auto-move the job to the next stage. In this case, I'll mark the task as completed. You will want to complete the whole process from start to finish with your test client so that you can be sure that everything works well. And this way, you'll notice any points that might have room left for improvement. If you need to change something to make the pipeline more efficient, click the Edit button and make those changes. This is something that you'll do for every pipeline you create, and it's the best way to avoid any issues that might have popped up if you started adding your real clients to the pipelines right away instead. The last thing that you want to test is whether everything is set up correctly for your team members. As we talked about previously, they need to be given access both to clients and to pipelines to work properly. So first, open up your pipeline and check if you added them to the Available To field. Afterward, ensure that you've given them access to the test client account. You can also give them access to everyone at once, as well as the right to add clients to your recurrences from their settings in the Team and Plans tab. If you want to double-check something for a team member, you can open the portal from their perspective. Just open their profile from this same page and then click on Login as Employee at the top of your screen. That way, you get to see exactly what they see, and it's the easiest way to confirm that they're good to go. So go ahead and test all your pipelines out now.